Now, here's where things sometimes go a little bit sideways for people. When you're going through a divorce, what happens to these insurance policies? And I know you're not, and so I want to put this up front for your protection, my protection, everybody's protection. We are not providing financial, insurance, or legal services right now. We're just having a conversation. So don't make any decisions based on what you hear on this podcast. Go talk to a licensed broker, insurance broker, and get the information specifically for your case. So with that being said, what do you see kind of are some of the things that happen during a divorce where maybe people don't understand when they're making decisions on their insurance policy, or they drop insurance, or they fail to cover, or what's going on with a lot of these things?
Yeah, so let's see, like with health insurance, right? To break it down, with health insurance, a lot of times I see a lot of people that are anxious and worried about, okay, I had insurance through my spouse, but that's no longer the case. How am I going to be able to afford this health insurance now? What about my doctors? I take this prescription, right? So it's people that are very worried because maybe they've always had insurance through their spouse's employer, right? And so with that, one of the things that we do is we help them realize, hey, you can still get affordable coverage because it's based on your income and family size, which now might look very different than what it did when you were married, right? And and we can always find options with your doctors. Some doctors unfortunately don't take all the plans, or maybe they only take insurance through a group plan. That does happen. Those are things outside of our control. But like always, it's important to speak to a professional and not just go on Google trying to find these things